Hi, this is Bob Rakes from the AK Association reporting from the SID Display Week 2023. I'm on the booth of TCL CSOT, and they've got a really fascinating 8K inkjet printed foldable OLED, and that's really something pretty spectacular to see. So LG and Samsung in their large area OLEDs don't use patterning to put down the red, green and blue pixels. They just put complete layers of material down and use different techniques. LG uses filters, Samsung uses quantum dots to overlay the light emitter to create the images. On the other hand, it would be much more efficient to just put the material where you want it to be. And there are a number of approaches to this. So TCL CSOT is showing inkjet printing. This has been a technology that's been in development for a very long time, and the company is convinced it can come to market at some point in the next year or two, although it'll probably not be in TV sizes but in smaller monitor sizes. I was lucky enough to be able to interview the company's CEO on Tuesday, and he confirmed that they do plan to get into production, although it won't be high volumes initially. The technology was licensed from JOLED in Japan, which had a lot of technology from Sony and Panasonic when they were trying to develop OLED TVs, but JOLED has hit some financial difficulties. However, this shouldn't cause problems for TCL CSOT because it's been working with JOLED for 3 years and basically had all of the technology which it needed. Also at Display Week, there's been a lot of talk of photolithography for OLED deposition, so that's interesting, but mainly for higher resolutions at the moment. And also a system from UDC called Organic Vapor Jet Deposition, and OVJP actually has been around for a long time, but the company is now moving to Gen 4 as a demonstrator and hopes to get the technology into the market in the next few years. It's just a technology demonstrator. At the moment, there's no dates or prices, and nobody knows when it might be a practical set. It would be very expensive and difficult to make, but it looks wonderful. Bob Rakes for the AK Association at SID Display Week.